Welcome learners. We are going to discuss how to prepare training samples data to detect objects, okay, in our imagery or in our dataset using deep learning in ArcGIS Pro. What is deep learning? Deep learning is a type of machine learning. We can say it's a subset. It relies on multiple layers of non-linear processing for feature to identify and pattern recognition. ArcGIS uses deep learning frameworks to accomplish various deep learning analysis that can be included as object detection, uh, image classification, etc. Object detection involves locating specific features within image. Means there is an we have an image and we are going to detect only the required objects. So training model to detect one object or multiple object saves time and expense of digitizing. Otherwise, we have to digitize manually, etc. And collecting data, it allows us to expand our analysis by using the model with different dataset and different locations. Mainly, ArcGIS, there are four tools we can say in ArcGIS Pro, which use deep learning to detect objects in an image. The first one is we can use ArcGIS Pro editing tools or label object for deep learning tool, as well crowdsourced data maybe it can be used, and pre-existing data as a training sample can be used. But in this video we are going to focus only the second tool, that is the label object for deep learning. Okay, let's come to words our ArcGIS Pro. This is an imagery of an area in uh, America, including there are multiple things we can see here: buildings, roads, including some elevation data of we can say mountaineer area. Here is we can say build up area as well. We are going to detect here only the pools which are built which have been built in this area. uh, this is the image in false color. We can actually use true color as well, but as we know, in remote sensing the water surface bodies can be detected or can be visualized using near infrared band. So that's why uh, here we are using false color, because water bodies uh, look dark because they absorb all near infrared rays. This is the concept of remote sensing. So we are going to detect where are the poles in this image. So our data set, the image is napped area of interest. When we click on it and then we move on imagery, and here is classification tools, because we are going to label objects for deep learning. So when we click on it, yes, image classification tool has been sorry, pop-up window has been opened, and here is the option to form a polygon or a rectangle, etc. Actually this provide us tools to digitize or to sample the data which involved in this data set. So let's move towards in maps tab, and here we are. In this image you can see there are different large number of poles which are visible in dark blue color. So when we zoom in, okay, this one we can create a polygon around here, and this has been done on clicking on double click. So in this class option, so name is full and value we can assign anyone. Here is we are using 0 and on click this one, and now we are going to take another sample for this data. So this is another pool and we another polygon around a pond has been created, and these are arranged like this one. So we add more and more if we want according to our requirement and data. After taking samples, now we are going to move towards analysis. Here are our tools, and we are going to search for exporting this one, exporting training data which have been we use. So we have to click on image analysis, exporting data for deep learning. Here will be a pop-up window will be open, and we are going provide input, additional input, output folder, etc. So these are the inputs and output according to our wish, and buffer may be according to data the requirements as well. According to my data, this is the 6, and all other maybe remain by default. Okay, after providing all inputs, we are going to click on run button, and this will take some time, and the result will be shown here. So the pop-up window shows exporting data for deep learning has been completed. We can see the details as well. Messages, distribution operation are instances, and then this one, and environment were used. These are the tiles. Training data has been exported. We can see the default folder which we have been given in the output. So let's come to the output, and we can see the training sample in the form of images. I name the folder that is image chip. So on clicking, and in images we can see there are number of chips according to the train data which we have been provided. So we can open here, and these images are in the form of TIFFs. On double clicking, yes, this is the area which including the pole. Here we can see there is, and other can also be visualized same here. This is here. These have been like this one. These are generated in the form of image chips. Okay, they are all contained this side. So it depends on how many samples we have been generated, and these are on the basis which we have been provided, they are divided by using deep learning.